Making a video using the new version of Wafel Setup MLC. This is version 2.0. This version fixes a bug where folders and directories would lose their permissions after removing isfshax from the console. For the remainder of this video, I'm going to refer to isfshax as just isf since it's a lot easier to say. This bug causes games to download updates, but they cannot install those updates because the directory where those updates need to be installed will lose their permissions, so the data cannot be written. If this occurs on a Wii U console, you will see error code 1053015. This will only happen after rebuilding an MLC on a NAND-AID. So if you're receiving this error for any other reason or with a console that has not had this repair done, it's not related to this. Previously, you had to go through a number of steps to fix this, and there are multiple methods of fixing it, but none of them are convenient. You can find those fixes on my website at tzerf.com. I'll put the link in the description. I don't recommend any of those fixes. I recommend rebuilding the MLC using Wafel Setup MLC version 2.0 or later. However, for those who don't want to do that or want to go down the rabbit hole, those additional fixes are on my website. So in this video, I'm going to show the full process of rebuilding the MLC and then removing ISF. After removing ISF, I'll demonstrate that updating games as well as downloading and installing demos is working because the installation directory retains the correct permission sets for reading and writing data. So here in the video, we're rebuilding the MLC, which doesn't display anything on screen. When the rebuild is finished, we reboot in the console and it takes it back to the minute menu. I'm not going to go into detail on how to do this as I already did it in another video. So from this point, we're just going to reboot the console, and this will get us into the initial setup of the Wii U. So here we get to the Wii U setup screen. I'm not going to go in any detail about how to do this. I think anybody watching this video is going to know how to do it anyways. So we'll just cruise through this and move on to the next phase. So we're at the end of the initial setup of the Wii U console. This will put us back in the minute menu, and this is when we're going to uninstall ISF, and this is what usually causes the issue with the folder permissions, but as you're going to see in this video, that problem has been resolved. Okay, so I'm throwing Hyrule Warriors into the console, and what this does, it'll start an update where the console fetches an update from Nintendo server, downloads it, and then tries to install it. I'm not going to waste your guys' time with this portion of the video, so I'm just going to speed this up. So here I'm going to go into the download management app. This shows more detailed information about what is downloading as what is being installed. So we have Hyrule Warriors in here with a pending update, and then we have the two demos that install on all Wii U's, the Wii U Sports Club and then the Lost Reavers. As you can see, Hyrule Warriors is installing, which is a good sign. This proves that the folder permissions are correct and data can be written to the directory. This is the part where the game update would fail to install and the Wii U would show error code 1053015. As you can see, the update for the game installs successfully. If you get to this point and have issues with installing updates, then you probably have corrupt or missing permissions on the install directory. I would make sure that you're using version 2.0 or later of the Wafel Setup MLC. If you've already completed the repair process and don't want to go through this again, there are additional fixes that can be used to fix this problem. You can find those on my website, tzerf.com. I'll put the link in the description. The easiest way to avoid this problem, though, is to just rebuild the MLC using version 2.0 of the Wafel Setup MLC or later. That being said, if you want to go through the hassle of using the other fixes, check out the link in the description. This is the end of the video. Hopefully you now have a working Wii U with the correct folder permissions. As always, good luck with your repair. If you need help or want to share a repair you're working on, visit my website, tzerf.com. The link's in the description. It's a forum-based system where I post all the repairs I'm working on, so there's plenty of resources for others to copy what I'm doing. Also, I want to thank the user who goes by the name SDIO. He is the individual behind the Wafel Setup MLC, and he is the one who did the update to fix the folder permission problem.